How to create EVM wallet address in MetaMask. First things first is open up MetaMask application on your phone and be sure that you're logged into your one. Now, currently on account one, which is still under my um, account right here. So what you want to do next is to locate the compass icon, which is the left portion of the gear icon. And once you're here, just simply tap on the magnifying glass, erase all of the URL, and then just change it to coredao.org. Hit on enter. And then once you're here, just simply scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the option or the field that says incentive program. And then just simply choose on add core network. Hit on confirm. And then once you tapped and got it, you have successfully done the process. And that's it. That's how you create EVM wallet address and MetaMask.